If you want to use GoPro as a remote camera with your Google Pixel 11, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, go to Connected Devices, then choose Connection Preferences, and then here we can find Connected Cameras. You need to enable Use Connected Cameras over here. And also we have additional instruction how to connect to a GoPro. So you can tap over here to find additional instructions. So you should be able to turn on your GoPro and make sure that it is, of course, connected with your Pixel. Then in here we can, of course, open the compatible app, and you should be able to choose GoPro from the list. And here we can also find compatible devices, so you can see that we can use, for example, GoPro Hero 10 all the way to 13. And that's pretty much it. And of course, we can find apps with access, so you will see all apps that you have installed and that you can use with your GoPro. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.